Well, it's very obvious to me they didn't want him to appear. Nung wala siya dito, dapat daw nandito siya. Nung nandito siya, may humabol sa kanya. Ngayon nandito siya, urging to surrender. Okay, so ito ang tanong ko sa mga senador na nag-urge. Pag naglabas ng ICC, ng warrant laban sa mga cabinet members, laban sa mga general natin, laban sa mga progressive leaders that they will accuse of mass graves and everything, payag ba sila na lahat yan, pulutin na lang tapos daling sahi? O dapat dumaan sa korte? Senator Bato will surrender if it is a Philippine court that orders his arrest and he is allowed all legal remedies. So, take out the name, Bato. Ako, kahit kalabang ko, kahit a person I don't like, I want him to have all the legal remedies, to exhaust all the legal remedies. So, yun lang payo ko sa kabila. You know, don't be personal. Think of what's better for the country. Think what's better for the institution.
Friends naman lang po yung naka-assign dito. So, alam to, hindi naman to ma-approve.
No, I respect their opinion. They want to express it that way, di ba? But kitang-kita nyo sa majority yesterday at kita nyo sa action ng iba, pati sa mga NBA agents who went overboard, that they don't want him here. In politics, you don't always want your opponent to be there. But you don't wish them to be shipped off to a foreign country for standing up for his right na dapat Philippine court. This is not a matter whether guilty siya o hindi. In fact, he can be investigated here for the extrajudicial killings. So this is a question of our constitution versus a foreign court. Until he has exhausted all legal measures and the Philippine courts tells him that he has to be arrested.